Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rekha, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce. In this video, I'm going to talk about UGC. I'm receiving lot of comments from my viewers and subscribers asking that whether my college or university is approved by UGC. So what does this UGC means? How it works? And how many universities are there under UGC? So regarding this, I thought to make this video. Before that, I would like to share that my channel is related to education updates. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and click bell button so that you get notification of my upcoming videos. In 1945, UGC was first formed to oversee the work of three central universities of Aligarh, Banaras and Delhi. Then the responsibility was extended in 1947 to cover all the Indian universities. Then in the year 1956, by the Indian Parliament, UGC became a statutory body upon the passing of University Grant Commission Act 1956. So you'll be thinking, what is this statutory body, isn't it? So statutory body, it means a non-constitutional body which is set up by the Parliament. So these statutory bodies, they are authorized to pass the law and they can take the decisions on behalf of the country or on behalf of the state. University Grant Commission of India is a statutory body which is set up by the Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education and Government of India. The main purpose of UGC is for the coordination and maintenance of standards of higher education. So it provides recognition to all the universities in India and also the disbursement of funds to such recognized universities and colleges. UGC headquarters are in New Delhi and it has 6 regional centers, that is in Pune, Bhopal, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Guwahati and Bangalore. According to the data in the year 2021, let's see how many universities are recognized and approved by UGC. Both the public and private universities comes under the higher education system in India. So the public universities are supported by the government of India and the state government, whereas private universities are supported by various bodies and societies. So university in India is recognized by the University Grant Commissions with the power of University Grants Commission Act 1956. Under UGC, there are 4 types of universities. They are central universities, state universities, deemed universities and private universities. According to July 2021, these 4 types of universities, togetherly there are 984 universities. Now let's see about the Central University. Central University is also known as Union Universities. Under the purview of Department of Higher Education in the Ministry of Education, there are 54 central universities. Among the states, Delhi is in the top with 7 central universities. Next one is state universities, which is run by the state government of each of state and territories of India. So there are 425 state universities. Most state universities are affiliating universities administering many affiliated colleges which offer undergraduate courses, postgraduate courses and even research in MPhil and PhD programs. The state with most universities is Rajasthan with 85 universities. Next one is deemed university or deemed to be university. So under the UGC lists, there are 125 institutes which were granted the deemed to be university status. Tamil Nadu is the state with the most deemed universities, numbering 28. And the last one is private universities. Under UGC consolidated list, there are 380 private universities. They can grant degree, but they are not allowed to have off-campus affiliated colleges. Now let's have a look at a list of number of universities according to state wise. In this table we can see that it shows universities by state and type. That is number of central universities, state universities, deemed universities and private universities are mentioned for each state. You can have a look at this table. So from this table it's clear that there are 54 central universities, 425 state universities, 125 deemed universities, 380 private universities. Totally there are 984 universities according to the data collected in the year 2021. There are many fake universities in India, so UGC has maintained a list fake universities operating in India. There are 24 fake universities. UGC says that these 24 self-styled unrecognized institutions functioning in contravention of UGC Act have been declared as fake and are not entitled to confer any degrees. So you should be aware about the UGC approved universities in India. You have to know whether the university you are pursuing is central, state, deemed or private, and you have to make the right choice as there are many fake universities coming in the market and claiming themselves to be UGC recognized. So be careful while choosing the college. Take admissions in only those colleges which are approved by University Grants Commission. In my next video, I'll share the list of approved universities and college under UGC. Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more videos as well. And further, if you have any more doubts, you can follow my Instagram and ask doubts. And for latest updates, you can join Telegram group. You can get the link from my description. Thanks for watching.